My whole life, I hated to smile. As I got older, not smiling continued to affect my life. I had no confidence. I couldn't get my dream job. My dream guy wouldn't so much as glance at me. Didn't you try everything to whiten your teeth, you ask? Actually, I did. Whitening toothpaste, gum, strips, you name it, and nothing worked. I've always been a girl on a budget, and paying a few $1,000s to a dentist was definitely out of the question.
My smile wasn't always this flawless. So, I understand what you're going through, Sandy. Because of my tooth discoloration, I almost had to pack it in and move back to my hometown, which nobody can ever find on a map. Now, like you, I was staring into my own tooth-stained abyss, about to call it quits, but then I discovered the perfect smile whitening kit. A high-quality and effective device that's very easy and safe to use from the comfort of your home. And you don't need to visit some fancy dentist or spend a fortune to buy it. Now, on top of that, the perfect smile whitening kit comes with a 90-day money-back guaranteed, so there's zero risk and plenty of reward. Now, there's only one question left to ask yourself, Sandy. What do I have to lose?
He was right. The entire process was super simple. After applying the advanced whitening gel to my teeth, in went the thermoforming mouthpiece and the blue and red light therapy began. The blue light helps whiten teeth by eliminating the toughest stains like coffee and red wine, while the red light works to boost oral health. By using both modes at the same time for 16 minutes a day, I was able to whiten my teeth twice as fast. After a lifetime of being scared to death to ever show my teeth, I finally discovered my smile. The perfect smile whitening kit changed my life. And it's good to know that whenever I need to use my whitening kit again, it won't fail me. That's because it's built to last with an incredible and unheard of 10-year warranty. If for whatever reason you're not 100% satisfied with the perfect smile whitening kit, send it back within 90 days for a fast and full refund, absolutely hassle-free. Pick up your perfect smile whitening kit today and discover your beautiful smile.